Jason, this is really new technology to us at MTDCNC. Now, obviously this is a laser, but could you tell me what this actually does?
Well, this machine is really designed for aerospace and for land-based gas turbines. It's for drilling holes and cutting components for hot end. That's the hot end of the jet engine. And so it's a 5-axis machine. It's our largest machine. It's got a 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter cube. And it's got some really cool technology built into it.
Now, obviously with the amount of holes that you can actually drill in many pieces on this machine, what makes this machine different from TEK4?
Well, there's 3 key bits of technology that make this machine exceptional for these kind of components. The components these are machining are incredibly expensive components before they arrive at this machine. And so putting the holes in the right place is the key part. So this machine has actually got 3 key steps. Number 1, it's running in the moment in the background, where we check the machine with the probe. And we check out all 5 axes, and we check them out for their positional accuracy. And we also zero set the 5 axis points, which is very, very tricky to do. Often it takes people several hours to do that in a conventional way. This actually does it in a 2.5 minute cycle. So the machine is set and checked. The second area of technology is that we find out where the beam is. And the beam on the laser beam is very, very difficult to find because it's not a physical beam. So we have a technology where we can actually locate where the beam is and we can find the focus point. And again, that gives us our second step to putting the holes in the right place. And the third step is that because we've got full 5 axis with a probing system, we can actually locate the datums on the part. So we can do a 3-2-1 location. And that's a plane, a line, and a point on any particular features around the part. And that means with those 3 steps, we put the holes in the right place.
So obviously the repeatability for a customer, that's got to be key for them, isn't it?
Absolutely, because these components, they're engine tested, and what matters to our customers is that the components repeat time after time, because they don't want a part that's gone through engine testing and then they start making different parts, because that could cause some real problems down the road for them with safety and reliability. So repeatability on the machine and total accuracy, and we can put holes into about a 10 micron position on this machine.
Now, obviously with the machine that we're looking at here, this is going to an aerospace customer, as I understand.
That's correct.
Now, obviously power generation is the other sector. What sets your company apart from your competitors?
Well, user friendliness is a number 1 for us. So this machine, you can actually walk right into it. It's got great access for loading the parts. So user friendliness, easy maintenance. This machine, our competitors have machines that have 3 mirrors that get the beam to the part. This machine has 1 mirror. That's a fantastic improvement because every mirror introduces some error and degrades the beam quality as well. So it's much quicker to do a beam alignment on this machine. So user friendliness, ease of maintenance, and then we're very cost effective. So our machines are very cost effective into the market, and hence we're doing very well with this kind of product.
Plenty of benefits here, but TEK4, do you produce any other type of machines?
Yes, we do. We have 3 main processes. One is laser, which you're looking at today. We also do EDM hole drilling, and we have a whole range of 4 machines in that range. And then we also do stem drilling. That's electrochemical drilling. We can drill holes up to 600 millimeters deep, 1 millimeter diameter, and that's a huge diameter depth ratio. This machine obviously is the largest in our laser machine range. We've got 2 other machines, a medium-sized machine and a smaller machine, and they all have this level of technology. So the technology is the same, machine sizes vary. The other interesting thing about this machine is that the beam wrist will actually continuously rotate. Most of our competitors' machines, they have wires and pipes, which mean that the nozzles eventually wrap themselves up, and that's a bit of a problem. Whereas this machine, because we've built technology into the wrist can continue to rotate forever, And that means you don't get into tangle situations when you're programming complex parts. The other thing, everything's got sliding stainless steel covers, so all the grit and dirt is kept away from the axes. That adds to the longevity of the machine.
Well, if I was in the power generation market or the aerospace market, being cost effective, having unique abilities of this machine, I've got to come and see you. Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much.